Hello everyone, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have an Okuma ES-L10. This machine comes with a 10-inch Kitagawa B210 3-jaw hydraulic chuck, a tailstock with hydraulic quill, a 12-station turret, chip conveyor. For full specifications, I will list it in the description below. Let's take a look at this machine. Well, there you have it, the Okuma ES-L10. For any further questions at all, go ahead and call us at 909-919-9600 or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.